Okay, so we're back in our folder 1020 to 1023 weekly resources. We are going to go into our activity for today. This is our last station for this week. We'll have two more for next week. It will be the Monday and Tuesday activity of next week. So let's go in, let's open it up. Make sure that you click on this. It'll force you to make a copy, and you should be staring at the station for activity. Again, we're going to need to go back to that same carousel that we've used for Station 1, Station 2, Station 3, and on Station 4 we're going to learn about the author of the play, Lorraine Hansberry. You're going to use this article from biography.com in order to get some background information about who she was, what her life was like, the type of things that were happening while she was growing up. There is a video that is also in here that summarizes the article as well, so you can click on that video and watch after you've read through the article. I suggest you do that because the very first thing that it's going to ask you to do is to provide a brief summary of her life. And I think the easiest way to do that will be synthesizing, so bringing together the big ideas from the article and that video. They'll both help you out quite a bit. You'll type that summary in here, and then you're ready for the next question, which involves the Supreme Court case that her family was in. I want you to find some background info on it. It briefly discusses it within the article, but don't be afraid to let Google help you out. All you would need to do is Google this phrase right here, Supreme Court case Hansberry v. Lee, and that would get you some more specific information. Now, this one is just based on the video that you're watching, but this right here I wanted to kind of discuss with you for just a moment. You're going to read through this. This is a quote from Lorraine Hansberry's reaction to someone that critiqued her play and then said that the Youngers, that's the family that the play is about, they said that it seemed like a happy ending for them. And this is Hansberry's retort to that. Please know that the Youngers are a black family. They are living in Chicago, and there's this potential for them to be moving into an all-white neighborhood, and this is during the Civil Rights era. So there's definitely segregation. We've been learning about these Jim Crow laws and all of this background, historical and cultural context, and it will all lend itself to better understanding why she's responding in this way. What I want you to do is explain what you think Hansberry means by this quote. Please know that here the word argumentative is just letting you know what contentious means. This was not a part of her original quote. I did it to let you know what that word meant. Same with profundity. Here she's using it in terms of depth. I just wanted you to know what that definition was. Please remember that's not a part of the original quote that she had given. Let me know if you have any questions.